बच्चों, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम अपना पहला लेक्चर, प्रेप क्लास का पहला लेक्चर इंग्लिश बुक का स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, जो कि है अल्फ़ाबेट्स। A for apple, A for apricot, A for ant, A for aeroplane. B for balloon, B for book, B for bed, B for bag. C for cow, C for cap, C for cake, C for cat. D for duck, D for deer, D for dog, D for door. E for elephant, E for eagle, E for egg, E for eye. F for fish, F for fan, F for flag, F for football. G for goat, G for glass, G for grapes, G for gate. H for horse, H for hand, H for hat, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ink pot, I for iron, I for igloo. J for jug, J for jelly, J for jeep, J for jacket. K for key, K for king, K for kettle, K for kangaroo. L for leaf, L for lock, L for lemon, L for line. M for mango, M for moon, M for milk, M for monkey. N for nest, N for net, N for nose, N for nib. O for orange, O for ox, O for onion, O for owl. P for parrot, P for potato, P for pen, P for pear. Q for coil, Q for Q, Q for quilt, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rocket, R for ring, R for racket. S for strawberry, S for soap, S for sun, S for sparrow. T for tomato, T for tire, T for tub, T for tree. U for umbrella, U for umpire, U for uniform, U for urn. V for van, V for vase, V for vest, V for vulture. W for watch, W for watermelon, W for wall, W for window. X for xylophone, X for excavator, X for x-ray, X for X marks tree. Y for York, Y for yak, Y for yogurt, Y for yacht. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zinnia, Z for zoo. उम्मीद करता हूँ बच्चों आप लोगों को आज का लेक्चर समझ आया होगा. कुछ समझ नहीं आए तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताया करें. शुक्रिया.